Alright, here's a quick video to show how to change puddle lights on a Tesla Model 3. So what's a puddle light and why change it? So here's a good example. You open the door, there you go. Look at the nice little logo flashing on the ground. That's by replacing a puddle light with the logo light. So let's see how we can do that. Alright. So normally when you open the car, there's a little light shining on the bottom. Nothing fancy, but just a light. Look underneath, you'll see the light right here. So we're going to replace that with a logo light. You can pick it up in Amazon or something. So it just looks like the exact fit, but I got to warn you. Pins on these two pins you see in here seems to be slightly apart than the stock ones. So all you got to do is, when you get it, compare it to the stock one and put a screwdriver and push the pin a little bit so that the two pins that are in here are the exact same spacing as the stock one. So in order to remove the stock one, it's nothing fancy. Just use a screwdriver, flathead, and then just gently pry it from one side. That's it. So you should be able to gently pry that, and it just comes right off. And after that, it's just a matter of one clip, and if you notice, that's the stock one. Be careful, once you pull that out, the window goes up, so do not slam the door. So here's the stock one, here's the one with the logo. If you look at the side profile, okay, I don't know if you can see anything. If you look at the side profile, the stock one is pretty slim. The logo one has a projector in it, so lens in it, so it's a little thicker. What I was talking about earlier is the two connectors. So if you look at the stock one on the right versus the aftermarket one, see these two connectors here? Those guys are slightly in a different spot. All you have to do is wiggle it with a screwdriver and it'll fall into place before you install it. Okay, let's do it. Alright, once you install the light, when you open the door, you will see the Tesla logo and the text flashing beautifully. So instead of some puddle light, you get a nice logo flashing. So that's what you get for that 15 bucks or something. It's totally worth it. Comes with the Cree LED and a Philips electronic circuit. So look it up on Amazon. I'll put the link down. Alright, just a quick mod. Looks cool. Model 3.